Cam Taylor.
Hey, how are ya?
You're live.
Namaste.
Live from Kathmandu, Monkey Temple.
Monkey Town. I'm loving it.
Here's the valley of Kathmandu. The stupa. This is a Buddhist monastery. Hotel is somewhere about right in there. Namaste.